Hi guys, welcome back to Mrs. Bluxlife, L-I-F-E. I'm Sarita, and it's time to talk about something. First off, welcome. My past couple videos, everyone has been asking what I did with the writer. Did I keep it? Did I get the 38? I exchanged it. I tried, y'all, and I wanted it so bad. I searched for the 38. I had two managers searching for 38s. It is a no-go. So the next best thing for me was another bag, because I already spent the money. So I'm just like, let me see what's next. This item was another item that was hard to get, but my local store had two, to their surprise also, because the customer service had just told me none. So let me show y'all what I have. Y'all probably won't be surprised, but I got something. Now I have two of these in my collection, but I wanted to love the Writer 24. It didn't work. I played around with it after I recorded. Tried putting I use my full-size wallet, and that's just that. And at the end of the day, I use what I use because that's what I spend my money on. And that's what I prefer to use. So my full-size Sarah wallets are just the top wallets for me. And then from there, I would use my Coach Slim. I think they're called the Slim wallets. I would use those. They're still too. That one was a little bit too long for the bag. So my thing is glazing. I don't want the glazing getting messed up because I'm trying to squish something into a bag. The bag is beautiful. It just had no purpose of me being able to use it unless I only use it as crossbody, which it is a cute crossbody. So whoever does have it, I hope you are enjoying it. It didn't work for me, but let me show you what did. So yes, so I end up getting the Compass 25 in dark chocolate suede. Y'all, I like the Compass 25. The only thing I don't like is it doesn't have a shoulder strap. It has a crossbody strap. So I am going to look into probably getting a leather. They do have a new leather crossbody gold strap. Brown strap with gold hardware at Coach. So I might get that one. I don't know. I might even play around with this one to see how I like it. But this isn't I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I might keep it. This is a keeper because now I have the brown and I have the black. But what may be on the chopping block, maybe, is my original first suede, because I don't know yet. Because I'm like, I have the maple Chelsea. So do I really need a suede Chelsea? I don't know. I got about a week left. It is still all boxed. Let me show y'all a picture. Yeah, still like that. And I'm just like, okay, I have a fear of ruining bags. Like, I've for years, if y'all are new here, I've for years worn Louis Vuitton monogram. That is my thing. I don't have no issues. The only thing would be like glazing or canvas cracking or something. Suede is a bit much for me. It's a different situation with Coach altogether, because for one, they want you to bring in the bags to get them conditioned and cleaned every 3 months is what I've been told. I have not done that yet, or buy some of their protectant that they have and clean it at home. Suede is a whole nother situation. Protected, or you gonna be crying later. So I don't want to be crying later behind a bag at all, because I probably will, honestly. But I want my money and my collection to look appropriate for me, because I'm the one using the bags. I'm the one gonna have them here in my case, and I might have to get another case. Yep, just putting that out there. I'm trying to figure out now, because I'm mad I missed a coupon they had at IKEA about 2 weeks ago. I just need another case. I don't know if I want a double case or a single case. I'm gonna figure that out, but I do need another case. But this one will be going in above the black Compass 25. It'll be going in right there where I had the writer at. So I have added this beauty to my life. I still have the drifter to break down. Y'all know I just got the black bleaker. I have to break that down. The straw bag. But I'm looking on there today. Coach have all this scarlet and poppy stuff that then popped up on Dillard's. I can't add anything but the little card holder. And I was like, do I need a card holder? I'm kind of like doing too much. Okay, well, Dillard's today, when I went on the site, they have a lot of new things they've added on there for clearance. So, a reduction or whatever they call it. I'll put the pictures up. This blue jean tabby 26, I'm thinking about it. Either the 26 or the 20, I'm thinking about it. Because I'm like, I want something denim in my collection. But I like it at the price that it is. So it makes more sense to me to add it to the collection. But then I'm like, just wait till some of this scarlet and poppy stuff come out, because I do want to add something. But I love the haversack. I went out to the store and I was getting people, that is a beautiful bag, girl, you cannot walk. That's just like the crystal bag. You can't even walk through the mall without somebody stopping you. Yes, because that haversack, I done wore it, so y'all know she here to stay. That bag is gorgeous. Okay, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So they did that with that. But I'm trying to figure out, I know I want the trail bag, and I think they're calling it the poppy color, from Dillard's. The Dillard's in Atlanta, from what I've been told, has the stuff, but I'm going to just wait till it gets online or in my local store. And I want to see if they have a long slim wallet, because if that comes in the poppy or the scarlet color, I'm going to get that. But that's it. But I just wanted to jump on here to show y'all the new bag. Yes, so everybody knows. Yeah, the Rider 24, Lord knows I wanted it to work. I just can't keep stuff. And I reached out to the manager and was talking to him. And that's when I brought the other one back and was able to get this one. I'm excited because I like, at this point, we all know a Boston bag is my style. So I'm happy about that. And I feel a little more safeguarded, even though it's suede, wearing this one. Chelsea, on the other hand, over there, I don't know. I'm going to figure that out, because I think I got a week left. I don't know. It's still, like, I'll show y'all right here. Again, it's still protected. And my aunt was like, well, just sell it. And I was like, well, no. I'm going to probably just bring it back to the store. That's that. I don't want to increase the price on something. Like, it's real, because I would have to increase it to make it make sense for me. So, no. I'm going to just bring it back. And it's still in all this protected plastic tags, everything attached. Bring it right on back to the store, and that'll be that. But thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for commenting. Thank y'all for showing me all the love y'all do. I thank y'all so much. And if you are in Houston, please send me your contact information on my Instagram. You can message me, or you can email me. My email will be down in the description below. Email me, so we can probably chat, because something's brewing for August. Okay, but I will talk to y'all later. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all so much just for showing me love. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.